And Nanny! Hello, Nanny. Hurry up, my fingers are freezing. What are the kids doing?
Yeah. Oh, here's a nice big piece. Who should I make now?
Me.
Nanny?
Make me off at my
Here? Trying to snowball it. Nanny is fulfilling a 30-year fantasy project.
Now have fun.
Oh, I didn't get your whole body shot throwing. Hurry up, the snow is starting to pick up.
Now my 30-year fantasy is finally fulfilled.
That's the only reason why we bring you out here.
Chicken. Now you know why I wanted you to come with me.